Hey everyone, I'm Krista and I'm one of your instructors this summer for the Young Writers Workshop. I'm here in Manhattan, Kansas, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. A quote about writing that means something to me goes like this: "We read so we know we're not alone, and we write to taste life twice." Now, I don't know who said it, and I picked it up somewhere along my journey, and it means a lot to me, and I hope you find it inspiring. A song that I really like right now is "I Got a Feeling" by the Black Eyed Peas. Super positive, happy, and fun to dance to. If you haven't heard it, find it on Spotify or YouTube and just crank it and enjoy. I hope you like it. A fictional character that I would love to meet is Precious Ramatswe. She is the protagonist in the #1 Ladies Detective Agency mystery series. They're wonderful books, and I would love to hang out with her and learn more about Botswana. And she's funny and really smart and clever, and I would love to have a cup of red bush tea with her in her office. Thanks, everyone. I can't wait to meet you. I've got a feeling this is going to be a fantastic week, and here's to some fantastic writing.